happy Monday. Have a nice week. Hope you're doing well. Today I'm going to be doing a post review. Well, not really a post review, just showing you guys what I worked on in February. I thought what a good day to do it, the last day of February. So let's get into this. If you like diamond painting and you like this video, go ahead and click the subscribe button right over here. That is my cat jingling. Subscribe, and I post new videos on an almost daily basis, and I love to have you as part of my hive. So let's get into it. The first one that I completed this month is, what is this called? Moon Goddess from Diamond Art Club. It measures 56 by 56 centimeters by Sarah Mustafa. This was a Black Friday purchase for me, and I was doing it for hashtag POC for Black History, Mrs. Crochet and Coffee's event, and I finished it. I started it at the beginning of the month, and I finished it probably a week or so after I started it. So I'm very excited. This is a round diamond painting. It had 42 colors, and it came with four ABs. I think it turned out really lovely. I really like the face rendering. I think she's really cute. Like, her nose kind of looks a little bit funny, but honestly, like, I think it turned out really beautiful. I love the moon. There are so many ABs in the moon, just really beautiful. And I don't know what else to tell you guys, but yeah, I'm very happy with how it turned out. Here's a close-up of her face. Have you guys done this one? Is it on your wish list? Let me know in the comments down below. She's just so beautiful. This is one that I might consider hanging up, and apparently this is fan art for something. I don't know for what. Is it a video game? Is it a cartoon, TV show, something? Let me know in the comments below if you know what this fan art is for. Someone else told me, I think, but I totally forgot. But I love the ABs, like, it's extra sparkly. If I go like that, is that showing you? It's kind of showing you guys the sparkle if I lift it and move it around, but extra sparkly, lots of ABs, very beautiful. I'm happy with this one. Then I did this big one. I was like, oh, I don't want to do another big one, but then, so this, I thought I had lost it somewhere in my loft. I was like, I don't know where I put it, but then I found it. So I was very excited to have found it. It is a square from Mary's Diamonds. I have a full post review and a video on me sealing this. I will link it in the description box down below. But if I forget to link it, it is my previous video, I think, that I uploaded. So check that out. It is sealed, so it's very stiff. You can't really, like, it makes a crunchy noise if you, okay, so that scratching is my cat, sorry. It makes a crunchy noise if you kind of like move it around. This is one that I love. I did have trouble with the drills. Some of them were popping, so that's why I sealed it. I love the ABs in her face. So there's actually ABs in her face all along here, all along down here. So this like pale pink color is all ABs. There's ABs throughout her face. There were four ABs in this diamond painting, and it just turned out really beautiful. I really love the art. It is Harajuku Girl by Tony Kalao, and it measures 60 by 60 centimeters. I believe this is still available on the Mary's Diamonds website, so if you want to do this one, I would recommend maybe getting it in round if you easily get frustrated with squares. But even though the squares were frustrating, they weren't like super bad where everyone was popping off or whatever. It was just a few here and there, and like when I ran my fingers over it before I sealed it, I could feel the drills that were popping off. But it just turned out so nice, and it was totally worth the hassle of the squares not being great, because I just love this image. And again, this is the 60 by 60. Then lastly, I worked on this diamond painting. It is, I forget where this is from. It's in one of my previous, did I write it on the back? Usually I write on snack size diamond paintings. I usually write on the back where I got it from, but I can't remember where this is from. This is a round diamond painting. It's just a simple, like, after I finished Harajuku Girl, I was like, I need to do something small something that will provide maximum satisfaction in the shortest amount of time. So this is a 30 by 40 centimeter. It is one from those budget diamond painting companies. I just can't remember which one. All this white, the white that you see in the outline of the house and the white in the fence, that is all glow in the dark, which is like super cool. And this one was 31 colors. And with the glow in the dark, which is 5,200, it's like, I have never had a canvas like this before. I think I have one or two now, but it has scissors, so it's telling you to cut it off. And much like Dreamer Designs, they have on the edge of this canvas, there's the image, but it's not like you don't diamond paint on it or drill on it. It's just a border of the image, which I think is really nice and adds kind of like a nice little touch to the image itself. Like, I really like how the clouds are diamond painted and then it runs off the drill field, and there's like, you don't drill this area. I think it makes it look really cute and kind of finishes it really nice. This one I think took me a couple days to work on, like maybe 2 days, I think. And again, if like that Harajuku girl one took me about a week and a half, 2 weeks to finish, and like that was a 60 by 60, but don't compare your diamond painting paste to my diamond painting paste, because literally I have no life, so I can spend all the time free time diamond painting, whereas you probably have a life and children and things, but I don't have any of that. So don't compare yourself to me. But this one was really fun to do. It was like, after I was like, oh, this like turned out really nice. Like, I'm actually really satisfied how this came out. Like, there was no need for a larger size, so that made me really happy. So again, this month I did Harajuku Girl, and I did Galaxy Moon Goddess. I want to call her Galaxy Moon, but I know that's not right. And I also did this lighthouse. Currently, I am working on a diamond painting that I bought when I first started diamond painting. It's a double-sided adhesive. I'm not going to show you guys because it's not licensed, but it is from the movie Spirited Away. I figured I have it. I might as well work on it. I haven't worked on a double-sided adhesive canvas in a very long time, so I decided to work on it. But maybe I will show the finished one in March's review. We'll see. Anyways, guys, I hope you had a really great February. I can't believe it's already March. My birthday is March 7th. Just take a note, put it in your calendar. Monday, March 7th is my birthday. That's all I have to say for you guys today. So thank you so much for watching. Again, if you like this video and it's helpful to you and you want to see more like this, go ahead and click the subscribe button. I post new videos on an almost daily basis, and I'd love to have you as part of my hive. Okay, bye!